Hey, what's up? So today what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be fixing a small hole like this. Um, and it could honestly be any size hole that you guys need to patch up. This is a little smaller one. So I was gonna show you this other product that Home Depot had that you could paint over, but I'm sure it don't work. I just wanted to test it out. And I was gonna compare, the old school way to that way, but we'll just do it the right way. Um, so that way we don't waste no time or anything. So yeah. So first thing you want to do is just get yourself a piece of sheetrock. You need drywall, and so what you want to do is just cut yourself out a little square. And sheetrock is easy to cut. Um, you just need a knife, or you can cut it with the multi-tool. See this side, I just scored it, so like if it's a knife, and it'll just crack. If you fold it over like that. All right. You could kind of see how big it's gonna be. So let's say we do this hole here, so that size. And as far as thickness, we do about this, and we do, let's see about that. But you could use a multi-tool, you could use a knife. You grab a knife and you just score these guys. It's kind of hard to do it in there. I'm just trying to show you guys how to do it. And after you score it like that, you just break them. Break them. And then you're able to rip off the paper. And that's going to be your patch. Just get rid of those pieces. So there it is. And so now all you're gonna do, we should probably clean this up. Now you just kind of see that's about your sizing. So you kind of want to clean this guy up. There it is. And then again, you can do it with the knife, or I'm gonna do it with the multi-tool. That's good. And now this guy will fit right in there. Just pop him in there, and that'll be your patch. So you don't need to go spend $5, $10 on a little patch, because I've seen them where they have these little metal patches that you could put in here. But sometimes you have to, in order for those guys to work, you have to smooth it out a lot better because it's a little bit thicker. This is just paper, so this will work. So the next step is just to grab your mud. This stuff has dried, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and use a sponge so we can sand it. So this is how you wet sand. They have some special sponges that you could use that are specially made for like sanding. So they got a little rougher side on this side. You pick one up at Home Depot or Lowe's. Just grab a little water in a bucket or whatever kind of container, and you just are gonna feather out the edges. And this is just a better way, so you're not creating so much dust. Yeah. There it is. So if you can see, what it does is all that texture they got on there, this orange peel. So it makes it just feather out real nice. But this is a good way to do that if you guys don't want to cause so much dust. You just gotta wait for it to dry out, and you just start using the sponge. A lot of guys do this so they don't cause that much of a mess.